Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger calls not ringing on your Android device. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Messenger app and look at the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of Messenger's core features and settings. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can customize how Messenger works on your device, including all the notification preferences that control when and how you receive alerts for messages and calls. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll need to find an option called Notifications and Sounds. Tap on this to access the specific settings that control how Messenger alerts you to incoming activity. This section is crucial because it manages everything related to audio notifications, including the ringtone for incoming calls. At the top of the Notifications and Sounds page, you'll notice a toggle button. This is the master switch that controls whether Messenger can send you notifications at all. Make absolutely sure this toggle is turned on, as having it off will prevent any notifications or call alerts from coming through, regardless of your other settings. Next, scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Notification Preferences. Within this section, look for an option called Ringtone and tap on it. This will open a list of available ringtones on your device. Go ahead and select a ringtone that you'd like to use for incoming Messenger calls. Choosing a distinct ringtone helps you immediately recognize when a Messenger call is coming in, rather than confusing it with other notifications. After selecting your ringtone, make sure to check the In-App Sounds option. You'll see another toggle button here, and you'll want to ensure this one is turned on as well. This setting controls whether you hear sounds while using the app, including call ringtones when the app is open. And that's it, your Messenger calls should now ring properly on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.